to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make grilled sweet chili corn, and it is sweet. This is going to be fantastic. Chili garlic sauce, which you can buy already like that. I actually ended up getting this on Amazon. We've got about a half cup of sugar. We've got about a half a stick of butter, a half cup of water. We're going to use a half cup of rice vinegar, and we've got about a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. We're going to use probably, by the way, 2 tablespoons of this, and we're going to use about a tablespoon or so of the raw honey. And I've got 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to smash down and mince them with this. And then we're going to make a little slurry with some cornstarch and some cold water. And we've got some butter to put in there because corn's good with butter. And then we're going to put it on the grill. But before we do that, we're going to make the sauce, cook it for about 10 minutes or so, let it thicken up, let it cool down a little bit, and then actually marinate these corn husks. They look just like corn husks. They look like corn cobs. Anyhow, corn on the cob. And we're going to have that, and then we're going to put it on a grill, medium grill, about 350, so probably cook 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to put our water in, and a half cup of rice vinegar, the half teaspoon of chili flakes, red chili peppers, 2 tablespoons of the garlic chili sauce, half cup of sugar, about a tablespoon or so of regular honey. That's good, because this is going to be a little sweet. And then we're going to put cilantro on this at the end. Go ahead and put the butter in. That's fine. And we're looking for about a half a teaspoon or so, but nice and minced. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our videos. I think you'll have a great time cooking this stuff, because I tell you what, it tastes great. And every one of these recipes I've absolutely made and tasted, and you know, they're working pretty good. So I have mixed some cornstarch with a little bit of cold water, and this is cooked for about 10 minutes now. And we're just going to pour some of that in and see how thick we get. I put this sauce in the freezer for about 5-6 minutes just to cool it down. We don't want to cook the corn with the sauce. But we're going to marinate this corn with the sauce before it goes out there. 4 or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that's fine. And then we're going to continue. So save back some sauce to use while it's on the grill. We got about a medium grill here, about 400. And we're going to put this corn on here. It's been marinating about 10 minutes actually. 5 minutes is fine. And about 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll turn it. It's starting next. I have no idea how long this. There we go.
It's starting to work.
So, this is grilled corn with sweet chili sauce. We cooked it 12 to 15 minutes, which would, you know, somewhere, I don't know, between there, somewhere in there. But we got a nice char on it, but we're not burnt. And that sauce, I kept putting the sauce on. Oh, it smells good. It should have a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet. This is still hot. All right, let's see if I can't pull my teeth out. Oh, that's good. That was really good. It's got just a little bit of heat. It's got some sweet. It's hot on my thumb, but I'm very happy with it. Oh, it's got, you can feel the heat back in the back of your throat. Yeah, it's good. That's nice.
Hot.
Yeah, I told you it was hot.
Well, I know, but I didn't. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's good.
Isn't that good?
Am I wearing it?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
It's worth it.
The temperature is hot.
That's good.
Oh yeah, it's not that spicy at all. It's all over my face.
I think Seth likes it. There's been no comment. He just keeps eating.
What do you think, Seth?
It's good. I like it.
Good.
I like the spice.
Thanks for coming by. This was super good, and Felicity actually made it through the heat, and I thought that was pretty good. Although she had this all over her face, tells me it's pretty good. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.